Welcome back to the channel, my friends. We're going to be installing some wheel spacers on this Range Rover L322. Now obviously I have L405 22-inch wheels on here. The tires that I have are the 275 40-22s. We'll also be going a little bigger on the tires. We're going to do the 285 40-22s. Now just to give you the stance of the vehicle, you could see how far this wheel leans in. So, and if we look at the front, let's look at the passenger side. So we'll be doing 30mm wheel adapters or spacers in the rear, and we'll do 20mm on the front. Here I have our front 20mm spacers. So let's get these on. I already have the truck on jack stands with the front wheels off. Now, one good idea before you just bolt those on is you want to make sure the rotor hat and the hub here is clean. What helps is a wire wheel on a drill. Again, you want to make sure that's nice and clean. Fortunately on mine, I've done the brakes not too long ago, so all of this is fairly clean already. So I have our spacer here. That'll get bolted directly onto the rotor here. Obviously I may have to tap it. You want to make sure it seats correctly so it's not one way or cockeyed one way or another onto the hub. So let's get this tightened up and see how it looks. In the rear we have our 30mm. They're advertised at 1.25 inches, but they have 30 mils. Completed our wheel spacers. Again, 20mm on the front, 30 in the rear. It actually gives the vehicle a nice stance. You can see how far they stick out compared to the originals. I will leave links to all the product in the description for you. Hopefully this video has helped someone out. I thank you for watching.